If I say Nigeria, what do you say? If I say Nigeria, what do you say? Okay, let's start from here. Nigeria! Very good. Mr. Chairman, Senator Professor Hai. Nigeria! Your brother. Wait. We are coming.
A president that has the capacity, that has the knowledge. Because to be president now, as we are seeing, you need somebody who has great leadership. In my political career, for being governor, 8 years, chairman of Governors Forum, senator, and senate president, I have left a record that we should be proud of, and I can lead Nigeria. You all know the last 1 year as senate president, I stood for Nigeria and stood for the defense of the National Assembly. Every office I've been to, I have left it better than I met it. With your support, inshallah, I become president. I'll make Nigeria better when I become president. Today, any nation can only grow in the area of agriculture and mining. This is what we have in North Central, also in Nasarawa State. And I was governor in Kwara State, I made difference in the area of agriculture. Inshallah, I become president, we will make agriculture back to what it used to be. And Nasarawa will be a leading state in the area of agriculture. Today is not the time for anybody to come and talk. You need a man that has action. You need a man that is strong, that will stand and fight for everybody. Those of you who have followed me know that I stand, I am not afraid, I fight for what is right, and I defend what is right. Today, you need a man that is a team player that will carry people along. I have shown that I am that kind of person. My people, my brother and sister in Nasarawa State, this is our time. This is our time. We have worked in North Central to make other people president. It is the time now to make somebody in North Central president. It is the time to put your own, to make your own as president, so that our youth will have jobs and our elders will be part of government and be relevant. I want to assure you, if by your nature will vote for me, this will be your government. I will not forget you. I'll work and address the issue of security, because security is a major problem for us in North Central, in the entire Nigeria. I will ensure that the military, the police are well paid, well equipped, and also will ensure that we bring technology to fight security and we end this banditry. Today, you will have many people, many aspirants will come, many will come. But we cannot leave our own and go and take somebody from outside. We have our own. Distinguished delegates, our leaders, I'm your own. Distinguished delegates and leaders, if you have me as president, it's like you two being president. We will lead this country, I will make it better. Baba, that's the Baba I have now. Because Baba has been with us since the days of MPN with my father. Baba, I know that God will make it in your time. You will have a democratically elected president from North Central State. And I will make sure that we do things that will make us better. We must rescue this country. APC has made this country go backwards. Inshallah, when PDP come, we will bring back good times for us in Nigeria.
So ya isa. We have received you when you came earlier. I assume for the second time. And we are receiving you with the same spirit that we received you before. Assuring you that by God's grace, when the time comes, the people of Nasarawa State will sit as usual, and discuss why we should consider you or any of the aspirants as our consensus position for the next election. However, it is obvious that with the caliber of the people you have in your team in Nasarawa State, I want to assure you that you will not be disappointed. All the same, many have come and gone, and many will still come. Our position will remain one. Shortly after the election of both the National Assembly, both the gubernatorial primaries, I want to assure you that Nasarawa State leaders and their delegates will sit down to discuss on the way to go. And I believe that we have a strong team enough in Nasarawa State that can help the team of Nasarawa State be guided to your direction. I pray that when the time comes, we will not disappoint ourselves, we will not disappoint Nigeria, believing that the hope of Nigerians are now in PDP. Because without PDP, then the future is not there for this country. And you are one of those people who are highly outstanding and believing that, like my distinguished senator said, no more than 3 of you are focused by Nigerians. And I believe one of the 3 of you will find its way in. And I pray and we wish it's one of our own for the North Central. At this point, I want to say, having been honored by our elder brother, and like I have told many people, and like I have said to many of the people who cares to know, he's not seated here in his capacity as BOT chairman. He's seated here as delegate, super delegate from Nasarawa State. And he has spoken as a delegate from Nasarawa State. And we are with him in that statement as delegate from Nasarawa State. So also are our leaders who are all seated here. Apart from the youth standing, almost 90%, no, 99% of the people seated here are delegates. And these are the people who are here to listen to you and to receive you, to welcome you to Nasarawa State, and if possible, mock the election results for you. So we believe that at the end of the day, in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, there's no extension. We want to believe that this issue will be history and will be a story of the past. And I pray that God bless your wishes. Thank you, and God bless you.
We are here to support Abubakar Bukola Saraki because he's a man of the moment, he's courageous, he's dedicated and very humble person. In fact, he has all what is entailed to rule this country.
In the times that we live in now, he is the best candidate.
Can you start with mentioning his name?
Okay. In the times that we live in now, Dr. Bukola Saraki is the best candidate among the pack for the simple reason that age is on his side. He is very well prepared for the job. From his antecedents and the positions he has held in the past, it is very clear that he's a very courageous, bold, and innovative young person that ought to lead this country now. In fact, I've said it repeatedly that we've not had a post-independence Nigerian citizen to rule this country. After 63 years of independence, by 2023, we ought to now have the people who are born after independence to now take their own destiny in their hands instead of all the dinosaurs that have been ruling this country. That is why Nasarawa State will go for him.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.